Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Savanna 3500 Cutaway. This one of course has the box truck conversion. Total price of the actual truck itself, $36,508. This one has the 6.6 liter V8, made it to the 6-speed automatic. Nice. Go ahead, check out the back here. This is where the, obviously that front part is. Got plenty of room back here. Wheel wells don't take up a ton of space. This is a nice little truck. This here. Press that. Ta-da! Does have a backup camera up top. Nice. Now this one's basically as bare bones as you can get. Not a ton of options. You do have. How many of you guys under the age of 18 know? Have ever used wind-up windows? And then you can also access the door from this side too. All right. Do have side curtain airbags. Backup camera pops up there. Go a little wide. These things are just so cool to drive. They're unlike anything else. Everybody says, oh, these are outdated. You know, like these haven't been redesigned for almost 20 years, which is pretty true. Well, not 20 years, probably closer to 15. It's true. It's 100% true. I'm not going to deny it. But it doesn't need improving. It's just an honest-to-goodness work vehicle. This is the 139-inch one, I believe. That 6.6 has piles of torque. What an awesome machine, guys. What an awesome machine. I do believe the 6.6 V8 is new for this year, for 2021. I do not remember it being this quick. So I remember driving the 6.0. I don't think I've ever driven a 6.6 one. No, this is not a Duramax. This one is gas powered. Because yes, this Duramax is a 6.6, I do believe. Total price actually of this one's $46,000. Put it into tow haul mode. That's gonna make the transmission hold gears, use a bit of engine braking. Up over the bump. There we go. That is impressive that a thing this big can move. Well, both literally and figuratively, this thing can move. Probably should have said this thing can haul. That would have been a better pun. And if you rent one of these, you can haul too. Yeah, you haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.